In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of websites where you can buy banner advertisements. And these places are, sites that not too many people know about yet. Now, banner advertising is still an effective way to get traffic as long as you can get a high enough click-through rate and pay a low enough cost per click. Okay, so the first site that I'm looking at here is called Buy Sale Ads. And basically they make buying banners a breeze. Basically all you do is just pick your category, check the inventory, and choose a placement that works for you. Okay, this other site that I want to show you is called Project Wonderful, and this site though has a different system of charging for ads. You basically bid on ad spots for the day as opposed to spots for the month on buy sell ads. Now, why are these good traffic sources? One reason is they are cheap, and the other reason is that you can advertise almost anything. Now, the keys to success, you should get very visible placements and use proven ads that look like they belong on the sites. And you should also match the demographics of the site by looking at Quantcast and seeing if you can match an offer to those demographics.